rain, 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 rain.
It rained on the people of Fadan.
So what was Ishtar doing then?
The lying Esther died, and the God of Jacob remained. Slay spoils, and hold feasts, for my daughter has escaped from death. The Lord of Jacob saved her, and my Lord gave her sustenance through Joseph.
Thus God granted victory to his prophet Jacob, answered his prayer, and provided us with good things.
Nothing is more difficult for a father than for his daughter to remain childless and without offspring. I was so sad about this.